Here we go with another curl kit unveiling. I probably should have cut the package out before I made the video. I mean, you know. Okay. Comes in the curl kit packaging. Curl Life magazine. Oh, ooh. A bonnet by Tiffany for Women of Style. Large sleeping cap. I need that because my son keeps trying to take my bonnet because he has dreads and he gets oil on his head, whatever. Creme of Nature, straight from Eden. Okay, got that as a pillow pack. Oh. Wow. Creme of Nature, straight from Eden, natural oil infused hydrating shampoo. Oh my God. That's 10 ounces. Natural oil infused hydrating conditioner, and that's 10 ounces. Oh, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Another takeover thing. Natural oil infused leave-in conditioner. With natural coconut, avocado, and olive oils. Oh my goodness. I really like this takeover. Because like I said, the natural, I mean the Miss Jessie's didn't work out for me, but I'm gonna try a wash and go and see how that works because it really did me fine, you know, like it really curled my hair up. And this is a twist out from a couple days ago. It's not looking too good on the phone. But my makeup I did this and I tried to do the smoky eye and I use this and